why are some enthusiasts drawn to a vintage sports car? Some enthusiasts may enjoy reliving memories from their youth, and others yearn to know what it was like to be connected to a sports car in its purest form. That desire to experience the lost art of driving draws aficionados to sports cars like our classic Survivor 1953 MGTF 1250. Consider this impressively original, unrestored sports car and among one of the earliest surviving MGTFs. It is the 53rd example assembled on September the 24th, 1953 to be precise. Delivered to the MG distributor JS Inskip, this MGTF was equipped with many period accessories like Ranny Rudge Whitworth wire wheels, a wood steering wheel thought to be crafted by Mark Wallach, and an Inskip engine dress-up kit. Sources at the New England MGT Register and the Vintage Sports Car Club of America remember the only TF so equipped was Inskip's 1954 New York Auto Show display car. Could this be it? We think so. If that doesn't make this TF special enough, it is preserved in an unrestored condition. We believe, with some authority, that the MGTF has covered 17,470 miles in 67 years. The MG red exterior finish and red interior has matured into a rich patina. Imperfections do exist, but they tell the story of a life lived. Ernstine and Malcolm Bernert were the earliest known owners, and they were founding members of the New England MG Club. Succeeding caring stewards maintained this MG over the years as if it were a family heirloom. So many original details remain in fine fettle as a result. It is indeed a candidate for any preservation class competition. We have a Heritage Trust certificate confirming the production date, colour and options like wire wheels. The data plate affixed to the bulkhead confirms it is indeed a matching numbers MGTF. The 1250cc engine produces a willing 57.5 brake horsepower, and it has been recently serviced by a skilled specialist. The gearbox shifts as it should, and the brakes stop with authority. Sports cars are the automobile world's athletes, and this MGTF is as nimble and responsive as it was in 1953. The interior details are remarkably preserved in unrestored condition. The handcrafted wood steering wheel is a rarity and complements the unique character of this TF. The interior, once a brighter red, has a few splits and blemishes, but don't we all? The indicators, lights and horn are in working condition, and all of the instruments function as they should. There is no rust or rust repair anywhere the eye can see. Every aspect of this MGTF Survivor, from the solid sound of a door closing to the exhaust note, contribute to the joy and excitement of the exhilarating driving experience. This is an excellent opportunity to acquire one of the earliest MGTFs with rare accessories and a wonderful history in remarkable, unrestored original condition. Picture yourself behind the wheel as the fortunate new owner of this classic sports car with such a rich history. Cheers. For more details on this vehicle or similar, please visit huntingridgemotors.com.